In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Coinbase to buy crypto, and also I'm going to show you the best way to use Coinbase to buy crypto. Hey there everyone, my name is Sergio, and this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, suggest you subscribe and also hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I'm also gonna have a bunch of useful links in the description down below. Let's jump right into it. So in the first part of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Coinbase to buy crypto directly from your bank account. And then I'm also gonna show you the best way to use Coinbase to buy crypto. So for a few years, I was using Coinbase just the regular way because I wasn't really paying attention to it. But now that I've been around the crypto market and using Coinbase for a few years, I realized the right way to use Coinbase so that you don't lose money on purchases. All right, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's jump into the phone here and I'm gonna show you what I mean. All right, so let's open up the Coinbase app here. All right, so usually when you wanna buy, what you do is you go here to buy and sell, you go to buy crypto with cash, all right? You select the crypto that you want to buy. So for example, Bitcoin, it's going to select the payment method that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select my bank account. So this one over here. And let's say I want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So it says one-time order, $1,000. That's the amount of Bitcoin that I'll receive. I have my bank account in. I'm going to go ahead and hit review order. So as you can see up here, it says the price of Bitcoin is $68,094. But at this exact moment, that is not the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually about $67,000. So if I hit buy now, I'll be buying it at that price and I'll be paying way more. So I'll be automatically losing money aside from the fee that Coinbase charges. So that is how I was buying crypto for the past few years through Coinbase, but I do not do it like this anymore. Okay, what I do now is I go to a limit order. Okay, as you can see, look at the price of Bitcoin when you go to limit order. It tells you it's 67,000. So that's the actual price of Bitcoin at this moment of me recording the video. And with the one-time order, it was selling it to me for $1,000 higher. And it does that for Bitcoin and for every other crypto as well. So what you want to do is, like I said, go to limit order. Here you're going to put in the amount. So same thing, $1,000. Okay, and then here, since it's a limit order, the only catch is the price has to be 1% lower than the current price. So since the current price is 66,992, I would have to put 1% lower. So that would be like 66,400 or something like that. So as you can see, it's pretty close. It's 0.9. So it has to be a little bit lower to qualify. So, all right, so let's put 66,300. And as you can see, now it says review order. So, okay, so the Bitcoin price is dropping. So since it's dropping, I have to drop this even lower now. So 250. All right, so as you can see, now it says review order. Now I can go ahead and place my order. It's going to charge me a $25 fee, which is based on the amount of 1,000. So if it's lower, it's going to be less. And if it's more, it's going to be more. Also, if you have the Coinbase One, which I do, that fee will be waived. So it will be free. However, that's only for the first $10,000 worth of purchases. I already exceeded it this month, so I have to pay the fee. But as you can see, I will be getting more Bitcoin, 1.5 instead of 1.44 the other way, because I will be buying it at 66,250 with a one-time order. So really all I'll be paying here is the $25 fee, but I will be getting Bitcoin at a discounted price once it drops down a little bit. And if it goes back up a little bit, I'll already be in profit. So yeah, this is the best way to use Coinbase to buy crypto when you're transferring it, directly from your bank account to Coinbase to make that first time purchase. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and also let me know your thoughts. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.